give me the ticket. Malai ticket or ticket. In Nepali, it is known as ticket. Diनुहोस्. Malai ticket or ticket दिनुहोस्. Good but steep. राम्रो छ तर उकालो छ. राम्रो छ तर उकालो छ. राम्रो means good. Tara means but. Ukalo means steep. Is food available there? त्यहाँ खाना पाइन्छ. त्यहाँ खाना पाइन्छ. Khana means food. What a lovely weather. कस्तो राम्रो मौसम. कस्तो राम्रो मौसम. Mosam means weather. What can I get for you? म तिम्रो लागि के ल्याउँ. म तिम्रो लागि के ल्याउँ. तिम्रो लागि means for you. Mo means I. I will fly to Everest next month. म अर्को महिना सगरमाथा जान्छु. म अर्को महिना सगरमाथा जान्छु. अर्को means next. Mahina means month. Arko Mahina means next month. And Sagarmatha means Mount Everest. Sagarmatha is Nepali name. Mount Everest is English name. For more details, please visit this site agentakas.com/Mount-Everest, where you will find information regarding Mount Everest, including local name for Mount Everest. Next, could you please give me the direction to the airport? कृपया मलाई एयरपोर्टको दिशा भन्न सक्नुहुन्छ? कृपया मलाई एयरपोर्टको दिशा भन्न सक्नुहुन्छ? कृपया means please. Disha means direction. At what time does it depart? यो कति समयमा छुट्छ? यो कति समयमा छुट्छ? Is there a toilet here? के यहाँ शौचालय छ? के यहाँ शौचालय छ? शौचालय means toilet. यहाँ means here. How far is the bus station from here? यहाँबाट bus station कति टाढा छ? यहाँबाट bus station कति टाढा छ? यहाँबाट means from here. Kati tada means how far. Tada means far. How can I reach there easily? म त्यहाँ कसरी सजिलै पुग्न सक्छु? म त्यहाँ कसरी सजिलै पुग्न सक्छु? त्यहाँ means there. Kasari means how. Sajilai means easily. It departs sharply at 12 o'clock. यो ठीक 12 बजे प्रस्थान गर्छ. यो ठीक 12 बजे प्रस्थान गर्छ 12 बजे means 12 o'clock 12 means 12 I have to go to Kathmandu म काठमाडौँ जानु पर्छ म काठमाडौँ जानु पर्छ KATS काठ MAN मान DU काठमाडौँ